Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Aries and Aquarius, your person current feelings and actions for the month of July. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person feelings, current feelings towards you. Aquarius. So let's see. Friendliness, Two of Cups, past lives, Moon, and completion, the World. I think some cycles are going to be end in your relationship. Definitely there is equal give and take, mutual love between both of you, because friendliness, I think Two of Cups is here. Definitely you both love each other unconditionally and equally. And completion, some negative cycles are going to be end in your love life, because past lives, I think you both could have past life connection. And I think the Moon is some disturbances are also there between both of you. One person is hiding something from you, or the other person is hiding something from you. So I think definitely some cycles are going to be end, but there is strong bond between both of you. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Aquarius. These actions are based on purely depending upon your situations and conditions. Queen of Wands, Nine of Swords, Nine of Wands. I think your person right now feeling very depressive, because Nine of Swords is not sleeping at night times, but there is passion between both of you. I think one person is not giving up on this connection, but one person is like not caring. I'm getting, because Nine of Wands is guarded. Your person right now is guarded up, and but there is lot of passion between both of you. I think one person is stand by their power. Queen of Wands looking. I think it is one in this connection, and definitely your person right now is guarded and sad for something. So let's pull some cards from universe for extra message for this reading. There are no action cards here basically. So let's see. Wow, Ace of Wands. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. It could be any sign. Four of Cups, Ace of Swords, two aces. Definitely new beginnings. Your person want new beginning with you, or someone new entering in your life. Two of Swords. Definitely your person right now at some crossroads. I think in future he will definitely make decision regarding the situation. Definitely he is feeling very sad for the missed opportunity with you. And Ace of Swords, communication. Definitely some communication you will get. And Ace of Wands, definitely he want a brand new beginning with you. New beginnings, definitely, because the completion is here. Some cycles are going to be end and new cycles are going to be begin. Definitely you will get a communication from your person, but it will take time, because right now your person will be sad. Definitely he will communicate you, and he will offer new beginning. So truth coming out, new beginning. Definitely will make decision near future and want its new start with you, because there is a strong bond between both of you. Two of Cups. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.